Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we've just been down to Lidl's and I've seen these little seedling packs, and these are tomatoes and these are Moneymakers. And if you've not got the time or the patience to grow tomatoes from seed, then this is a great purchase. So these are selling £1.99 for 6 seedlings, compared to like home-based stores or B&Q depots selling them for like £2 a plant. So I think this is a good deal. So my first job today is going to plant these up. So these are Moneymakers, and they also had Gardener's Delight. So my first job is just to pot these up and give them a good start. So this is our tray of seedlings. Tomato Market Moneymaker, £1.99. Harvest time summer. Height and spread 60 centimetres to 30 centimetres. Choose a sunny, warm, sheltered spot. Planting well drained soil in the greenhouse. So we're just going to pot these up. So Moneymaker is a really popular variety and it's good as a heavy cropper, and it's a great choice for beginners. So I've got these taller pots, slightly taller than the plugs, and we're just going to go a bit deeper just so we can plant So I'm going to get just something to dig in so I can pull it out, and they're going to go into the pot. So we're going to go deeper than the pot than originally, and we're just with normal compost just going to fill up the stem just so it's slightly deeper. The stem of a tomato plant's full of roots, and this is going to make contact with the compost. There we go. So Moneymakers are really easy to grow, and they're an indeterminate, which means they're vining growth. They will go tall, and they can grow up to 6 to 8 feet tall. The fruits are bright, round tomatoes, and they have a good flavour. It'd be an ideal with a fork or something to be able to fork them out. There we go. I'm just going to go deep, right up to the first leaves. Compost. This is just multi-purpose compost. It's got a bit of perlite added in it, just for a bit of drainage. So Moneymakers are good flavour, and they're ideal just fresh, or even can be juiced. And some people do canning, so they're good ones for canning. But we just grow them for salads. And although beginning of March, it's still a bit cool to go outdoors. So they could possibly go in the greenhouse. But there's still been a few cold nights. Although the temperature yesterday was 18, the night time was really cool. So it's still a bit too early to go out just yet. So these are going to sit in the greenhouse, nicely potted up. And I was quite pleased to see these in Lidl's. I've not seen the vegetable plants, and they had lettuces and broccolis, and they also had another tomato, Gardener's Delight. So it'd be interesting to see what that one would be like. I'd really do with a dibber of some sort, that'd be really handy. So digging it out, then we can do this one. I'm going to do quite deep, so it can sit at the bottom of the pot. There we go. So buying plug plants, kind of a bit cheating, but if you haven't got the space, you haven't got heating mats and propagators, then just buying a couple for £2, 6 plants, you can't really go too wrong. I did notice in the depot stores they're selling for about £2 per pot, which is a crazy price nowadays. So I think we're getting a good deal. I'm going to keep these in the greenhouse, give them a bit of a water, and some are going to stay in the garden and some are going to stay in the polytunnel and growing in there, and that'd be great. So I've got one more to do. That one's only a small one. There we go. Nice fresh bit of compost. It's just going to fly away now. Give them a water. And there we go. So that's our Moneymaker plants. So let me know in the comments. Have you grown any little plants? And that would be wonderful. There we go.